Now, high pressure is stabilizing weather conditions across the Caribbean this evening. There are some scattered low clouds, but we don't have any significant shower or thunderstorm activity in the basin at this time. There's a trough north of the area, weak frontal system as well. However, there is no trailing trough. There's no intrusion of this system into the Caribbean, so we're going to be continuing to see stable conditions for the next day or so. Now, the forecast for tonight is partly cloudy, mainly across sections of the west, but generally fair elsewhere. Temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and also in Montego Bay. In the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies across sections of northern parishes. We expect it to be generally fair across sections of the south. And then for the afternoon, there are some showers expected mainly across inland areas. Temperatures are expected to get to 31 degrees Celsius for Kingston and for Montego Bay. The breakdown has partly cloudy conditions in the afternoon tomorrow for Morant Bay, Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, Maypen and Mandeville. In the southwest, expect a few showers if you're in Santa Cruz. It's mostly cloudy in the afternoon in Black River and partly cloudy for Savannah, Lamar and the Grill. Expect some morning clouds for Port Antonio and Port Maria. Afternoon showers are forecast for Montego Bay and Lucy, but it's partly cloudy in Falmouth. A few showers are expected in Brownstown, and it's mostly cloudy in the afternoon in Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay. The winds are northeasterly. They're at 10 to 15 knots, and the wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. For the south coast tomorrow, expect easterly winds at 10 to 15 knots and wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for offshore areas, the winds are out of the east-northeast at 10 to 15 knots. There are currently no smoke-craft warnings in effect. Wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. And in our offshore outlook, we're expecting on Friday the winds are to be out of the east at 15 to 20 knots. Similar conditions on Saturday and Sunday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:35, 5:38 in Mandeville, and at 5:41 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.